If you're not using video marketing for your affiliate promotions, you're leaving money on the table. Stick around because I'm about to reveal the hidden strategies top marketers use to double their commissions. Creating engaging content that converts goes beyond simply producing videos. It's about crafting messages that resonate with your audience and motivate them to take action. One of the most effective strategies is storytelling. Stories captivate attention and forge emotional connections. When you weave a relatable narrative around your product, you turn a simple video into an immersive experience that viewers remember and act upon. Another crucial element is highlighting the benefits of your product through demonstrations. Instead of just listing features, show how the product solves problems or enhances the viewer's life. For instance, if you're promoting kitchen gadgets, demonstrate how they can simplify cooking or save time. These visual proofs create a stronger urge to purchase because viewers can see the product in action and visualize its benefits. Incorporating a strong call to action CTA is also key. A well-crafted CTA tells your audience exactly what you want them to do next, whether it's visiting a website, subscribing to your channel, or making a purchase. Be clear, concise, and persuasive. Phrases like "don't miss out," "get yours today," or "subscribe for more tips" can make a significant difference. Lastly, utilizing analytics is indispensable for refining your content strategies. By analyzing viewer behavior and engagement metrics such as watch time, drop-off points, and click-through rates, you can identify what's working and where there's room for improvement. This data-driven approach helps you tailor your videos to better meet the interests and needs of your audience, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. So, how are you planning to implement these strategies in your next video to boost your affiliate sales? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. When creating affiliate marketing videos, it's crucial to tailor your content based on the platform you're targeting. Let's start with YouTube. Since longer videos tend to perform well here, aim for content that is between 10-15 minutes. This gives you ample time to dive deep into your product's features and benefits. Utilize YouTube's robust SEO options by filling out your video descriptions with relevant keywords and tags. Engaging thumbnails and compelling titles can also attract higher click-through rates. On Instagram, brevity is vital. Focus on creating bite-sized content ranging from 30 seconds to 1 minute, especially for stories and reels. These formats are more casual and spontaneous, allowing you to highlight product features quickly and effectively. Remember to use hashtags and geotags to increase your video's discoverability. Use Instagram's swipe up feature in stories to direct viewers to your affiliate link effortlessly. TikTok thrives on creativity and trendiness. Your videos should be short, around 15 to 60 seconds, and highly engaging. Think about leveraging trending challenges or music to make your content more relatable and shareable. Duets and stitching are unique TikTok features that allow for interactive content, so get creative. Now let's talk about implementing SEO. Techniques to boost visibility. Regardless of the platform, always include relevant keywords in your title and description. Use tags effectively and do not underestimate the value of a good video thumbnail. It's often the first thing potential viewers see and can significantly influence their decision to watch your video. So, which platform do you think suits your content style the best, and how do you plan to leverage its unique features to enhance your affiliate marketing strategy? Let us know in the comments.